Well, first of all, I want to say that monkeypox is not a sexually transmitted disease. The lesions, the rashes, the vesicles, they can be present on any part of the body, including the genitalia, and therefore they will spread through close personal contacts. However, we have noted, and scientists all over the globe have noted this connection, and of course are investigating to see if there is actual transmission through sexual fluids. However, we have not had any confirmation of that as yet. So, but close personal contact, including sexual contact, which we all know is close, will pass on the disease if it is that you have the vesicles present. So it is, I want to reassure the public that this is not a sexually transmitted disease. It's a close contact transmission which can occur in any kind of close encounter.